So I think most people now know that we've got a additional metric calibration lab here in Colorado, pretty much designed here to be supporting the Americas customers. They are laboratory metric calibrations that we need to do for all our cameras, but in the real world also, you put everything together, it has to be flown. So things are slightly different. You've got to put everything together in one system. Bore sites make a big difference. It's not just metrically calibrated camera, everything else is involved.
It's a great thing because we now have the capability to test and troubleshoot on a dime. What's really nice is we get a lot of requests from project management as well as customer troubleshooting that needs to be done in real time and in the air and real world applications. And now we have the ability to put those test flights together and get them done in a very timely manner.
You can have the plane literally 2 yards away from our door. We've got the extra support staff here with the metric calibration lab as well. We can just do everything here in-house to make sure everything is ready for a customer.
Helps our customers with time frames. You know, our customers are held to a project spec that requires not only a certain time frame, but a sun angle. The more that we can mobilize and get our testing done in a timely manner, puts money back in their pockets and keeps them happy.
We implore the customers to come here to do a check. When they've got downtime, let's just get everything right. We make sure all the software is up to date, all the firmware is up to date, and we can just show them a few different things of how to do different jobs. Let's expand our return on investment. That's what we all need to do. So our systems aren't just built to do one job. You could do 4 or 5. So we help you work that out.